Hello guys, good morning, welcome back. And I want to say guys, thank you so much for subscribing guys to the garden. You guys said, oh my god, I can talk guys. For subscribing to the garden. For subscribing guys to the channel guys, thank you so much. Oh, there's one on. Sorry, I'm using one hand. Because I need, oh. I am removing some weeds over here. Look at this tile here. I think she's ready to be harvesting. But you guys know me, I don't harvest nothing. Oh. Let me get some of those branch to the chicken. Later on, I will come here and show you guys. I'm going to feed those one to the bird. Now let me go taking care of the little bird. Give them some green. Thank you friends for watching. Thank you.